to construct a parallelogram given two sides and an angle. Step number one would be to establish a baseline. First, I want to simply have a baseline. On this baseline, I will set the length for one side, and the length for one side is 60 millimeters. 60 millimeters. So having identified the 60, I now make reference to the use of my compass. I want to construct an angle of 60 degrees. Now I will join base point and this. I will extend to get a 60-degree angle. Construction lines. Now I'm given that the base is 60. One of the adjacent side is 40 millimeters. So I want to set off my compass to 40 millimeters, and from the initial point, making reference to this 60-degree angle, I'll scribe one arc. Once I have that arc established, I want to reproduce the same process, but this time I will use the second point that I was given, which is this. I scribe here to the top one arc. Now, using the given baseline, which is 60, I open to that radius, 60 millimeter. I now change the position of my compass to this point here to the top, and then I scribe to intersect this point. As you note, here I have the construction of a parallelogram given one angle and two sides. Now that I know the position of the 4 points, I can go ahead and darken using object lines. I want to set the guidelines 5 millimeters for lettering. It is important that you set the guidelines so that you have your letters be drawn, written, that is, neatly. Okay, so we then label the drawing as point A, B, C, D. All right, the guidelines below is to write the subtopic. A parallelogram. I'll write it below. Given two sides, Let's just leave it at that. Okay, that's the construction of a parallelogram. Thank you.